So I had to find a way to mount the camera, and the only way I found it is mounting it directly onto the engine. But I'll show you guys what we got here. Get out. Black. I don't know if people like the chrome and look from the crystal clear look from the front, which I used to have on this car. But then I removed it to black because I like the black look better. So this actually was, I think it was $170 on eBay. Pretty cheap. Put the link up here for you guys to see.
GD.
Back at the junkyard, you know what I mean? Over here, big ass lot. We got the, I don't even know what that thing is called, honestly. But we got this to carry the parts. These people are quick with taking these things off. Damn. They took everything off. They got the axle sitting there somewhere there. For now, at least I found the seat sitting outside. Nah, bro, they left my transmission out, bro. They didn't even put it back on. You know what I mean? We spent $800 on the thing. Yeah, we only spent $124. Could have been more though. I was gonna take the whole engine with me, but they didn't let me. I don't know, but I kind of like the way the yellow one's looking. Looks pretty clean. I'm jealous right now, honestly. Like literally, why does it look so much better than mine? This looks so clean.